Let's go to the beach, eat, let's go get away.
NT, you made this?
How do you feel?
I feel happy because we're going to Clearwater Beach, so the water is clear. And did you guys know the sharks are like close to shore, like 10 feet away, but like closer, like because their babies go there and like live in the shore because it's safer for them.
We're at the beach.
Clearwater Beach. Sand is white
And not that hot.
Oh, are we gonna censor the toes or?
That's embarrassing. Okay,
Anyhow.
Wait.
Well, we gotta hurry to get to the water.
Sunscreen first. Very important.
Well, I'm a mermaid, so I don't have to pee.
You're disgusting.
I'm a mermaid.
Mermaids pee. Fish pee too.
Yeah, but not called pee. It's called
Urine.
sweating.
Oh, I got their picture in my picture. Beach is really beautiful.
The shelly area.
It's very shelly.
Really?
Where? Where'd you see the fish at, Inga? Oh, shelly.
Yeah.
NT, you made this?
They wanted me to record them, but they're not even paying attention. So now I have to sit here and record them from afar.
How was the beach? It was amazing. I want to come back right now.
It's actually not hot at all out here.
Like the water.
Yeah. So, Kharisma, what was your favorite part of the vacation so far?
Going out into the deep end, singing, gnarly. Yeah.
We were really far out. I love the beach. I love being far out, especially since I'm the princess of the ocean. I'm a mermaid princess. That's what Mariona means. And especially, I can breathe underwater and I have powers and I have a mermaid tail.
Okay.
Yeah. Do you want to redo these for mommy? Oh yeah, my favorite part of the vacation is it was. Hold on, let me recap the vacation. Oh, Disney was a lot of fun, but my favorite part is probably Disney.
It was fun to see everybody's reaction to the ride. So my favorite part of the
the
vacation
rain.
would probably be Disney. Not the rain. Absolutely not. I love the rain.
I don't know. Disney.
I like Space Mountain and getting everybody's reaction to it.
Yeah.
I
Was
like
my
the
hair good?
contrast between the
Bruh.
Look at this dude.
Well, I like the contrast between the back and the front of the ride.
Yeah.
The front was like scary in terms of like looking, but the back was scary in terms of boom.
I know, because I think it's like whiplash, how the front will turn. It's like dimming the direction, but when, you know, when it turns at a speed, it's like turn, and the back is just like whip. While the front's just like boom, boom, boom. The back's like bow, bow, bow. I think probably Universal's a little bit better than Magic Kingdom, but that's also because I didn't meet the princesses. If I met the princess, I would have been like, hey Ariel, I'm your forgotten daughter.
So where are we going after this?
I think we're about to go to Outlets and Ben&jerrys to like check it out. Spend some money. Is that spend enough?
You guys ready for the mall?
I'm ready for the mall.
Okay. You ready for the mall?
Yes. My bank account's not ready.
Okay. What store you most excited for?
I'm most excited for Blueberry. What's it called? Burberry? Burberry.
Are you gonna? You don't have.
I'm excited for Burberry. I'm excited for
Gucci.
Dior.
You don't have the votes.
All right.
Wait, I got out the water with this in my head. Does that mean it crowned me? The ocean crowned me as a queen?
Yeah, that's a man type crown.
Okay, Aquaman.
It's the princess.
See, I'm gonna be Ariel's daughter. She had my type of hair.
NT, you made this?
We just had so much fun at the beach. And now we're going to
Ben&jerrys.
Ben&jerrys. I use this water gun to spray them on.
There's no water in there.
Shut up.
You're gonna be buying your own cup.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Regency.
You're wrong. Your laugh would be perfect for like a music video or like a song instead of a song like or like the end of a song.
We made it to Ben&jerrys.
Because I educated the child that she was red.
Fresh baked is my half baked. I don't remember.
They have muffin cookies. I know.
Do you want I want to get half baked.
Y'all are Ben&jerrys.
Ben&jerrys.
Ben&jerrys. Mom already called you on that. She's like, who is Ben's? Who is Ben's?
Wait, they have dulce de leche. Oh wait, it's not focusing. Do you like it?
It tastes like vanilla bean ice cream.
You got just vanilla?
But it tastes like vanilla bean.
I got half baked. With a chocolate dipped cone, yeah. Big book. Chocolate dip. It's on your hand. The designs in here are so pretty. Is that all of you guys get your ice cream? Yes. What'd you get?
I got fish food. Does it taste like a fish?
Yeah.
Wait, let me record you. Are you recording her? That was fire. Fish food and milk and cookies.
What'd you
Guys,
get?
when y'all come here and try triple caramel chunk, it literally tastes like with this. It tastes so good. Like crazy good. And then service here, 10 points. Great. Amazing.
On the way back. On the way back from Clearwater Beach. We got ice cream. We have fun.
Ben&jerrys.
Ben&jerrys. You got chocolate on your mouth.